Welcome to Edu Aspirants to ACE, that is academic, competitive, entrance exams, and enrichment. In the series of videos on manufacturing industries, let us learn about IT in electronics industry and NTPC, which is part 11. IT in electronics industry. Software Technology Parks of India, that is STPI. Software Technology Parks of India was set up in 1991 as an autonomous society under the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, METI. STPI's main objective is promotion of software exports from the country. The services rendered by STPI for the software exporting community have been statutory services, data communication services, incubation facilities, training, and value added services. STPI has played a key developmental role in the promotion of software exports with a special focus on SMEs and startup units. STPI has been implementing the Software Technology Park STP scheme and the Electronics Hardware Technology Park EHTP scheme for the promotion of IT and ITES industry. STP scheme is a unique scheme designed to promote the software industry and growth of startups and SMEs without any locational constraints. A company can set up an STP unit anywhere in India. The EHTP scheme is a 100% export oriented scheme for undertaking manufacturing of electronic hardware equipment and other items in India. At present, more than 5,000 units are registered with STPI. It has 60 centers across the country, including a mix of Tier 1 cities like Bengaluru, Chennai, Mumbai, and Kolkata, and Tier 2 cities like Nagpur, Warangal, and Surat. It is a map which is showing the important software technology park, that is STP. STP is located all over the country. This is very important for board examination as well as for your forthcoming examination. Electronics industry, growth of electronics manufacturing. According to a document, the reduced target still aims for a 400% increase from the current level. Mobile manufacturing that is expected to cross US dollar 100 billion annual production up from the current US dollar 30 billion is expected to constitute nearly 40% of this ambitious growth. Products expected to lead. Amongst the key products that are expected to lead India's growth in electronics manufacturing include mobile phones, IT hardware, that is laptop, tablets, consumer electronics, that is TV and audio, industrial electronics, auto electronics, electronic components, LED lighting, strategic electronics, PCBA, that is printed circuit board assembly, wearables and hearables and telecom equipment. Challenges. There are various challenges being faced by the industry across qualitative, that is non-tariff, infrastructure related, and quantitative, that is tariff, free trade, agreements, etc. aspects. Electronics industry and its importance. The increasing labor cost in China, the geopolitical trade and security environment, and the COVID 19 outbreak are compelling many global electronics majors to look at alternate manufacturing destinations and diversifying their supply chains. India is one of the leading contenders for alternate solutions for global electronics companies. The electronics sector has the potential to become one of the top exports of the India in the next 3 to 5 years. Electronics exports may account for significant contributions to the Indian economy in terms of foreign exchange, earnings, and employment generation. Let's learn more about the difference between electronic and electrical. First, electronic is made with semiconductors, that is silicon. Electrical is made with conductors, that is metal, copper, and alloys. In electronic, tiny and low intensity so that information can be controlled. In electrical, larger and powerful circuits and motors. The component examples of electronic are diodes, transistors. The component example of electrical are wires, switches, and fuses. Example of electronic are computers, phones, and example for electrical are toaster and stove. What is a diode? Diodes can be used as rectifiers, signal limiters, voltage regulators, switches, signal modulators, signal mixers, signals demodulators, and oscillators. The fundamental property of a diode is its tendency to conduct electric current in only one direction. Here you can see pictures which is related with the diode. In this image, we can see different types of diode. National Thermal Power Corporation, that is NTPC. NTPC Limited is a central public sector undertaking PSU under the Ministry of Power. It is India's largest energy conglomerate with roots planted way back in 1975 to accelerate power development in India. Aim to provide reliable power and related solution in an economical, efficient and environment friendly manner driven by innovation and agility. It became a Maharatna company in May 2010. It is located in New Delhi. Few recent initiatives taken by NTPC. Creation of public charging infrastructure in various cities in battery charging and swapping stations for electric three-wheelers have been commissioned. Providing electric buses to the state or city transport undertakings. For example, e-bus solutions for Andaman and Nicobar administration are under implementation. Launch of its new project involving hydrogen fuel cell electric vehicles, that is FCEV, to run in Delhi and Leh. Ecological monitoring, reviews, and online database management for all its power stations. Minimizing waste generation by maximizing ash utilization. Providing green belts for nurturing ecological balance and addressing afforestation. Optimum utilization of equipment, adopting latest techniques and upgrading existing equipment. This brings us to the end of the video on manufacturing industries, that is part 11. Keep revising. The video on the next topic shall be uploaded soon. All the very best for your upcoming examinations. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates.